we're approaching that spooky day that we all love. To commemorate the holiday, a local Chicago shop owner contacted me and asked if I could come up with a set of 3 tarot card-inspired prints for her site, and bonus, I'm painting one as a giant tarot card. So here's the problem. There's 78 of these bad boys in a deck. I have no idea which ones to pick. So, to help me decide, I'm gonna call a psychic hotline to see if I can get some otherworldly guidance from a specialist. All right, let's dial up this hotline. 555 HIMKNOW. Okay.
Good evening. This is Franz from the Psychic Franz Network. How may I be of service?
Oh, well, Franz, today...
Hush! I know exactly why you called. Also, we've established a psychic connection. There's no longer a need for your crude telecommunication device. You wish to have fate choose 3 cards for you.
Yes, that's exactly what I need.
And you then wish to render these cards in your own hand.
Yes, it's true.
And then you're going to sell them online?
Gosh, I hope so.
Me too.
Good. We're in agreement. Okay.
Signs look good. And for the first card.
What? What?
It's the Empress. This will look really good when you paint it.
My gosh, you made me so nervous.
Well, that was the good news. The bad news is I predict red, blood red, from head to tail.
Oh, gosh. Okay.
I don't make the rules, I just say the predictions. But let's not dwell on your gory demise. We have more work to do here.
Okay.
I am seeing 2 hills in an earthquake. How they shake, how they jiggle. It is the moon.
Oh, I get where you were going with that.
The spirits don't lie. Also, you may get a content warning if we pursue down this joke.
Let's move on to the next card.
This puzzles me. I do not see a premonition of it. But fear not. All we have to do is turn the card over and whoa, that's a spicy meatball.
You're making me nervous here.
No, it's not as bad as you think.
Really?
Yeah, just check your hand.
What do you mean check?
Check your hand!
Check my hand! It's death!
Yeah, but he's not such a bad guy. I've seen your work. You clearly got a thing for skulls. It'll all work out, I'm sure.
Okay. Yeah, it's probably fine then.
I mean, like you weren't going to paint a skull anyway?
Well, maybe.
Lady, let me tell you, if there was an octopus garden here, your fate would be sealed, but good.
Hey, what's this weird charge on my credit card?
Ooh, it's getting very, I can't hear you. You're breaking up. Can't you hear, are you trying to talk? Yeah, the signal's real. Anyway, I've got to go. The spirits are calling from beyond the veil. No refunds.
Okay, that was highly suspect, but at least we have our cards, so let's get to work. this set of prints like I am, there'll be a link in the video description where you can buy them today. Now, let's dive into that giant tarot card. I mean, that's why you're all here, right? So my Instagram followers helped me decide which of the 3 tarot cards to turn into a large-scale painting. In my stories, everyone had the chance to vote for their favorite. At 52%, the Empress won by a landslide. I wanted to paint the death card for Halloween, but the people have spoken. If you ever want to participate in any of my polls, give me your opinion, see my stories and all the behind-the-scenes stuff that goes on and goes into making my artwork, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. So to get that artwork on the canvas here behind me, I'm actually going to be using a projector. If you watched my last video, I used this projector to scale up my artwork at Industrial HQ to get that octopus on that 8-foot by 8-foot wall, and it worked great. It saved a lot of time, kept the proportions, and if you've already done your sketch once, why freehand it for a second time? I'm actually gonna leave a link in the description of this video below. But now, let's move forward with projecting that Empress. Woo! I got red paint in my hair.
Blood red, from head to tail.
As the spirits foretold, oh snap!
Huh, that Franz guy is good. I'm blown away by all of the channel's new subscribers. Thank you for taking the time to watch and leave me comments. It means so much to me, and now doors are opening to art opportunities that wouldn't be possible without all of you and your support. A big shout out to Tim Stotz, Improv Actor Extraordinaire, and Happy Halloween. As always, thanks for watching Cat Leapin's Art.